Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. It's gonna be a short one, basically just a small unpacking video. Not that much going on this week. We did some work on the weekend to a client's car with his 350C. We did this differential here, get that ready for his car, but he has to do some other stuff first before we can drop it in there. Other than that, we are working on our rental car up here to get it ready for next season so people can enjoy it on track. I will do a decent rundown on what it is, how it works in another episode. As you can see, the rear subframe is out. We are switching out all the bushes to proper ones because they're usually very worn out on these cars. Over here the JZX is getting a small update to the cooling system. We dropped in the bigger radiator. We adapted the hard line here, and now we have to get a loop done so the water doesn't drip out here. There will be some more updates coming to it. On another note, we just picked up Nuke Performance distribution for Switzerland. If you need any parts there, they have really nice catch tanks. They have fuel cells, they have drop-in units for fuel cells. They have air jacks, which I'll do you another video on. I already have a Nuke one in here. You probably can't really see it, but it's really nice quality. It comes out of Sweden. It's all engineered and manufactured there, no China crap. So if you need anything, check out Nuke Performance parts. I'll drop the link in the comments. And send us a mail if you need anything. We do have a sale until the 16th of December. Not sure if this video drops before that, but if you need anything, hit us up. They have really good stuff. And now we get to something else which is kind of special. I think it's a really good engineering idea, and it should come in handy, especially during drifting events. I'll show you right now. So let's see what we got here. It's a small box, comes out of Australia. The guy's down under. So let's see what it is. So as you can see, it's some wheel nuts and a special tool with it, and it comes from Speedsocket. So what you ask yourself, what is Speedsocket? I'll show you. So what we have here, okay, some stickers, and we have some bolts, and we have this bad boy. So what this does, you attach this to your impact wrench. You attach this to your impact wrench, and you can see in here there's a spring. So what will happen is the lug nuts, they'll go in there and they just stay in there. So there's no place you have to put the lug nuts down onto the gravel or whatever shitty pits we're in. They will stay in here. And if you reattach them, you just put it back on, chung 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 chung, and they get pushed out with the spring in there. They get pushed out onto the wheel studs, and you just attach them right again. So this should come in very handy when you have to do those pit stops, switch out wheels, which kind of happens rather often, especially on drift cars. So looking forward to test this. If you like what you see, hit up Speedsockets. We are not getting supported by them or anything, but we just really like good engineering ideas. We like good ideas in general, and I think this should come in very handy. So we'll test it out soon. They have different packs. Check it out. Should all be there. So guys, as mentioned, short one today. So we got the Speedsocket ready to test. As you can see, we're starting to stack some parts for the Chaser X here, which should go on the car. Some extra heat shielding. Here's all some maintenance stuff which we already did. New hydro. We're going twin calipers on this one. Some line for the water return lines and some cams. We'll get into all this later down the road. There will be some more parts coming in. We'll keep you updated on this. We'll also keep you updated on this. The E36 325, codename Bertha. She's a rental car. If you want to hit the track or go drifting at one of our events, hit us up. You can rent it. It's good fun. I tested it last year to see what breaks, what doesn't. It's really good fun. It's not a high power car, but it's a car which really teaches you how to drive fast, because you need to get all the momentum you can get through the corners. So it's quite good, it's quite fun. As said, I will do a rundown on it later in another video. So for today, that's about it. I hope you liked it. Go check out Speedsocket. I really like the product. I still have to test it. I'll give you more feedback on it as soon as I did. Yeah, if you have any questions, any comments, hit us up. Make sure to like the video, make sure to comment, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.